Good day, dear Tangle friends. As promised in the Facebook group Pattern Collections, I would like to show you Sneezeweed, and it's a creation of Staubkorn, and it looks a bit like Aidspartados, another pattern. Well, let's start. It starts off with a grid like this in pencil. Next, in the middle, we draw a bow. And in the next square, we draw a bow in the opposite direction. Also in the center of this line. This one is in the center of that line. This one too. Next one is on the outside, in the center. And the next one. Now this one is out, so this one is out too, in the center. On the opposite. This one is in, this one is out. This one is in. Nicely on the opposite. Next one, this one is in this square, this one is in, so this one is in too. In this square, this one is out, so this one is out too. Nicely on the opposite. In, out. In this box, this one is out, so this one will be out too. And this one is in. And this one is out. And this one is in. In this box, this one is in, so this one is in too. This one is out in this box, so this one is out too. In, out. Next step. Take a look at this box. These are out, so this one is out too. For this box, this one is out too. And as you can see here, these are all in, so this one will be in too. In this box, this one is out, 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 out. In the middle of this line, all nice lined out. All in, so this one is in too. Next square, all in, so this one in, and this one in. These are all out, so this one is out too. So in this box, this one is out, but in this box, this one is in. And this one too. And this one is out. All nicely lined out, like so and like so. Both are out, so this one is out too, and this one too. In here it's all in, so this one is in, and this one is here out, so it will be out, and it's in here, in, out. This one is in. This time it's all about in and out. These are in, so this one will be in too, and this one too. Here they are all out, so this one is out too. All in, all out, out. That's the second step. Next, these are all out, so we connect them with an, well, let's say it's an inline with a nice bow. This one is in, this one too, this one too, and this one too. These are all in, so to connect them we use an outline. Out, 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 out. These are all out, so this one will be in, in, in. Connect them nicely with each other. These are all in, so this one is out, and this one, and this one, and this one. Next square, all in, so this one is out, out. Try to keep focus on the square you're working in. These are all out, so this one is in, in, and in. All in, so this one is out, 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 out. All out, so this one is in, in. All out. To connect them, use the inline. Just call it in and outline. Inline, inline. All are in the squared box. So to connect, we use an outline. All are out. This one is in. All in, this one is out. All in, so these are out, 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 out. All out, so this one is in the square box. In, in, in. These are all in, so this one is out. And these are all out, so this one is in. That's the third step, I think. Yes, 1, 2, 3. Yes, third step. Now, next step is pointing out the center of the plus. Let's call these plus shapes. So, point out the center. Center, 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 center. Next step, and you might consider to use a smaller nib. Let's see if this one is okay. This one is a bow, so now we go, we connect these points to the center like this. Yes, on the opposite two, this one to the center. Yes, skip that one. Next, connect to the center. These two. This one too. And this one too. And this one. And this one. This one. This one. Like so. Next is to connect these to the center and these. So, like this and like this. Skip that one. Focus on the plus shapes. This one. This one. This one. Normally you can turn your tile, which makes drawing it easier, but since this is a sketchbook and I want to stay focused for my camera, I don't turn my sketchbook or tile. This one and this one. Next step is to point out the center. There, 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 there. And to connect the bows with the center, like we did here, but now it's crosswise. Like this and like this. Skip. This. The moment I saw images of this pattern in patterncollections.com, I thought this one will need a video. So, next step is to connect these bows to the center and this bow to the center, like this. I hope my hand isn't in the way. This one. This one. There are lots of possibilities with this pattern. To embellish. This is it. This is Sneezeweed. Now you can embellish it in whatever you like. So, but before embellishing, I first would like to get rid of the pencil lines. Thank you, lines, for guiding me. You really helped me. So my drawing is nice and clean. Thank you so much. And well, let's see. Embellish. What shall we do? Well, you can do color it in like this. I've seen some examples of it in the Patterns collection. A small V shape, and fill in the outer lines, the outer space. This one and this one. Oh, I forgot this one. And this one. What else have I seen? I saw this filling in this shape, doubling the lines, filling it in with tipple, for instance. You can embellish it any way you want. Just to give you an idea, you can draw lines like this, or something like this. I don't know, just play around with it. Fill in different ways. This one is nice too. Makes you get a square over here. Whatever you like. So, Sneezeweed. Is it with an E or? Let me check out. Yes. Weed. By Staupkorn. Thank you, Staupkorn, for this lovely pattern. You really inspired me. I made these already. This is quite simple. It looks like a 4-leaf clover. You can color them green if you like. And this one, totally different. Sneezeweed. Thank you, Staupkorn. Happy tangling, happy day, bye bye.